हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे। ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है, इसके एलिमेंट्स क्या होते हैं और ऑक्टापेस क्या होता है, तो आज हम ये जानेंगे इस वीडियो में। सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट मैट्रिक्स। Human resource development matrix identifies and explain the linkages between the various HRD instruments, process, outcomes and organizational effectiveness। बेसिकली कह रहा है कि ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट जो मैट्रिक्स है वो डिफाइन करता है कि रिलेशनशिप क्या है और ये किस तरीके से एक चीज़ दूसरी चीज़ से लिंक होती है एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में। इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स प्रोसेस से किस तरीके से लिंक है, प्रोसेस आउटकम से किस तरीके से रिलेटेड है और आउटकम किस तरीके से ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल इफेक्टिवनेस को बढ़ाते हैं, ये HRD मैट्रिक्स बताता है। बेसिकली इन HRD मैट्रिक्स ऑल द मेंबर्स वर्क टुगेदर आर अकाउंटेबल फॉर द रिजल्ट जॉइंटली। यहाँ पे चाहे टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट की पर्सन्स हो, लोअर लेवल मैनेजमेंट की पर्सन्स हो या फिर मिडिल लेवल की, सभी लोगों का काम एक साथ देखा जाता है और जो रिजल्ट आता है वो ओवरऑल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का माना जाता है। बेसिकली यही HRD मैट्रिक्स होता है। बेसिकली हम कह सकते हैं कि HRD मैट्रिक्स प्रोवाइड्स एन इंटीग्रेटेड वर्जन by means of which cross-functional as well as horizontal and vertical alignment of systems and subsystems of the organization is shown for better coordination and collaborations and to meet the desired goal। सिंपल है कि फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ डिजायर्ड गोल ऑल द एक्टिविटीज़ को इस तरीके से परफॉर्म किया जाए कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल को अचीव किया जा सके। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट व्हाट इज़ द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ HRD मैट्रिक्स। बेसिकली यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि 5 एलिमेंट्स हैं। फर्स्ट है HR पर्सनल, HRD इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स और सबसिस्टम्स, HRD प्रोसेस एंड क्लाइमेट, HRD आउटकम एंड वेरिएबल्स, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल इफेक्टिवनेस। So first HR personals means what is the person, so and who are the persons who perform the work in the organization. They are basically divided into 3 parts or 4 parts, like a top level management which makes policies, middle level management who executes them, and then they can provide the direction to the supervisor, and final supervisor can take the work from the workers. So these are the persons who run the organization. Now they can constitute an HRD department, and HRD departments basically how to perform, they are the instruments and the subsystem through which they can perform the task. Okay, basically HRD instruments like process and evaluates the outcomes and gauges organizational effectiveness. Basically HRD instruments include performance appraisals and potential appraisals, training and development, counseling, job rotation, job enlargement, job playing, and organizational development exercise. These instruments or subsystems may vary depending upon the size of the organization, the commitment of the top level management, etc., the perception of the peoples and methods employed by the rival companies, etc. These instruments and mechanisms lead to creation of HRD process like role clarity, communications of norms and standards, rewards and incentives, awareness of competencies, and octapace culture. Basically, octapace culture is what is the meaning of that. Here, O stands for openness. Openness means that provide that kind of environment to the workers that they can work with openness. Then let's see counseling. How people are doing right or wrong, they can be counseled by the top level management or the persons who are supervising them. Then T, trust. Build a trust between the workers and organizations. Autonomy, how they have the authority to perform the particular task. Protection or proaction means we should you may hear about that prevention is better than cure. So we should know about that, what kind of actions which should be performed by the workers in near future. Then E means authenticity, how they are authentic to their work. C, collaboration, what kind of collaboration they will make in the organizations. And E, this experimentation. So basically this is an octapace. Such HRD process results in more competent, means what kind of outcome will be had by that processes or outcome. First is a more competent workers, developed people with the higher commitment to work, higher job satisfaction, and work motivation, development of greater problem solving skills, over healthy organizational culture with greater team spirit. So this is basically the outcome of the HRD process and climate. After that, organizational effectiveness will be improved. How it will be improved? It is just by finally with the help of these mechanisms, processes and outcomes variables, the organizational effectiveness is achieved in the desired manner through higher productivity and growth. Cost control and reduction, higher profits, better image, and most important, congenial industrial relations. It can be the outcome or it can increase the effectiveness by performing that all the parts in a better systematic manner. In simple words, we can say that what is the octopus we will discuss in the on that matrix as well. But in another form, we can say that O means openness, C means counseling, T means trust, A means autonomy, P means proactive, Z means collaboration, E means experiment. And we will also discuss that such a HRD process results in more competent and developed peoples with higher commitment to work. Higher job satisfaction, it can lead and have work motivation, people are motivated to their work. Then development of a greater problem solving skills. It can develop the peoples that how they can solve their problems in a better way. And overall healthy organizational culture with a greater time spirit. So this is basically an octopus, and after that we will discuss about that what is the conclusion for that all the whole theory. Hence the HRD matrix, if implemented with the proper perspective and a spirit with the re-preached dividend for the organizations, it is said that if our HRD matrix will be performed in a better or in a coordinated manner or systematic manner, it can create a higher dividend or it can create a higher profit to the organizations, because in fact it is a systematic manner through which HRD goals and aspirations are met, जिसके ज़रिए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ओवरऑल गोल एंड एस्पिरेशंस आर हमें मिलते हैं. सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. अगर आपने भी मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.